Did you know that some of the highest earning YouTube channels in 2025 have never shown their creator's face? Yet, 97% of people still think they need to be camera ready to succeed on YouTube. But here's the game changer. With AI tools, you can create faceless content so engaging, viewers won't even care who's behind the camera. All right, AI Creator Squad, let's go. I'm Dani, and you're watching Grow with Dani, your one-stop shop for crushing it in the digital world with the power of AI. Today, we're diving into something that's transforming the YouTube game in 2025. How to start a successful faceless YouTube channel. Here's the truth. Starting a YouTube channel in 2025 feels like trying to get a front row seat at a Taylor Swift concert. Everyone's fighting for attention. But here's what most people don't realize. Some of the most successful channels right now are completely faceless. Think about it. Those satisfying cooking videos that make you hungry at 3 a.m., faceless. Those insanely helpful tutorial channels, many are faceless. That finance channel giving actually good advice, you guessed it, faceless. But here's the catch. When you're not showing your face, two things become absolutely crucial. First, your intros need to hit harder than your morning espresso shot. Why? Because viewers decide whether to watch or skip your video in just 3 seconds. Without a face to connect with, those first moments are make or break. Second, your content needs to be so valuable that viewers forget they can't see you. It's about solving problems so well that nobody cares if they can't see your face. It's like being Batman, but for YouTube, minus the cool car, unfortunately. This is where most creators get stuck. They spend hours trying to figure out how to create engaging intros and valuable content without showing their face. Trust me, I've been there. It's like trying to explain a meme to your grandma. But what if I told you there's a tool that makes creating faceless content easier than explaining TikTok to your grandparents? Meet Poppy AI. It's like having a content strategist, scriptwriter, and YouTube expert all rolled into one, minus the coffee breaks and attitude for sure. Think of it as your faceless channel's best friend. Before I show you exactly how this works for making killer YouTube intros and faceless YouTube content, let me tell you something mind-blowing. Every month, you get 2,000 credits. That's enough to create about 40 to 50 full video scripts. And trust me, that's more content than a marathon Netflix session. Pro tip, in the chat, type. Let's get straight to the point. Please provide a detailed and complete answer without any continue prompts. This ensures you receive a comprehensive script in just one shot. Create a knowledge-based group of notes for recurring information. This will save you time and credits in the long run. Keep in mind that the more information you connect, the more credits will be consumed. Now, let me give you a quick tour of your new content creation paradise. See that clean interface? Don't let it fool you. It's packed with more features than your mom's secret recipe box. First up, see that little paper icon next to your profile picture? That's your command center. Click it, and you've got a powerful note-taking system that makes your old spiral notebook look like ancient technology. Use /commands for quick actions, create tasks, or just brain dump your brilliant ideas. But here's where it gets really exciting. Poppy AI comes with 10 core features that are about to make your content creation journey smoother than butter on a hot pancake. Smash that R key and boom, add recordings. It's like having a personal camera crew that never asks for coffee breaks. Use this bad boy to capture those midnight genius moments when you're analyzing viral audios and your brain goes, wait, that's it. M is for mind blown. Drop any thumbnail here and watch Poppy AI turn into the Sherlock Holmes of visuals. Use it to make visual analysis, identify objects, people, elements, colors, and everything that makes it pop. The Y shortcut? This thing's like having X-ray vision for viral content. Drop a bunch of YouTube links and watch Poppy AI go full CSI mode on those videos. It spots those juicy moments that keep viewers glued to their screens like they're watching their crush's Instagram stories. T and I, these are your trend spotting besties. While everyone else is trying to catch up with yesterday's trends, you're out here predicting the next viral wave like a social media fortune teller. It's literally like having tomorrow's TikTok trends today. T and C, this combo, it's like having a writer's room full of geniuses, but they all actually agree with each other. The AI chat is serving better ideas than your 3 a.m. brainstorming sessions. And trust me, it doesn't judge your weird content ideas like your friends do. It includes Claude AI 3.5 Sonnet, ChatGPT 4.0, and ChatGPT 4.0 Mini, W&D. These turn you into a content opportunities hunter. Drop a website link or a PDF document. While others are playing checkers, you're playing 4D chess with your content strategy. Hit G and watch your scattered content ideas turn into a master plan. Group those viral videos together and Poppy AI spots patterns you wouldn't catch. Put all these tools together, and what do you get? A content creation machine. Ready to see how we turn all this into content that makes your competitors go, wait, how did they do that? Let's get this party started. Yo, Remember that insane moment when Thanos finally got all the Infinity Stones? That absolute rush of power surging through his gauntlet while he's standing there like, I am inevitable? Well, guess what? That's literally you right now with Poppy AI. No, you're not about to snap half the universe away. Please don't. But you are about to become an absolute beast at content creation. We're talking about having all the power tools right at your fingertips. The perfect AI writer, mind-blowing image analysis, X-ray YouTube videos vision, and so much more. You're not just creating content anymore. You're basically a content creation superhero. And the best part, unlike Thanos, you don't have to travel across the galaxy or fight the Avengers to get these powers. They're all right here, ready to go. Time to snap some amazing content into existence. First, we're going to crack the code of those killer YouTube intros that make viewers forget they're watching a faceless channel. Then, we'll dive into creating content so good, people will be too busy taking notes to care about not seeing your face. Remember what I said about viewers deciding in just 3 seconds? Let me show you exactly how to use Poppy AI to create intros that grab attention faster than your ex finding your replacement. Now, here's where it gets juicy. Create a new board. I'm calling mine Hook Heaven, because why not? Let's go to YouTube and grab the 4 latest Mr. Beast videos and see what we can learn from them. Hit Y to paste each video. Group those videos with the G shortcut. Double-click on each video to post them in the box. Boom. Now let's hit C for the chat and connect it to the box. Hit F for full screen and type this in the chat. Analyze the intros of these successful videos and identify the key patterns that make viewers stay. Watch what happens. Poppy AI breaks down their intro strategies. Immediate hooks, promise of value, visual proof, fast pacing. Notice how Mr. Beast doesn't just tell you what you're going to learn. He makes you feel like you're missing out on life itself if you don't watch. That's not by accident, my friends. Okay, let's learn from Mr. Beast and type into the chat. Give me a hook for this topic. How to start a faceless YouTube channel. Use Mr. Beast style for an immediate hook with high value, a clear promise of what's coming next, and high energy delivery. Disclaimer, this is my first YouTube video, so I don't have subscribers or a budget. See what happens. Pretty awesome, huh? Now we have a killer YouTube intro with Mr. Beast style in just seconds. But hold up, before we go any further, we need to talk about the intro crimes I'm seeing everywhere. And trust me, they're more common than gym selfies in January.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, ring that bell.
Your viewers just left faster than my last Tinder date.
Today, we're going to talk about YouTube faceless channels.
Really? That's like saying you're going to talk about food. Be specific. Make it impossible to resist.
Listen closely. I'm going to share 10 tips for this YouTube thing, the one all the youngsters are always glued to.
Here's the thing. While tips are great, viewers are looking for transformation. Instead of saying, like, here are 10 tips, imagine saying, here's how one simple change helped me go from 100 to 10,000 subscribers in just 90 days. See the difference? We're not just offering information, we're painting a picture of what's possible. But hey, I'm curious, which of these intro crimes have you seen lately? Drop a face-palming emoji in the comments and tell me the worst intro you've watched recently. Buckle up, because this next part hits different than your favorite beat drop. There's something about the first 3 seconds of your video. Those are more important than the next 3 minutes combined. Here's why. Studies show that viewers make 3 crucial decisions in those first moments. Let me show you how this plays out in real time. When someone clicks on your video, their brain is rapidly firing these questions. Is this worth my time? This is where your pattern interrupt comes in. Instead of starting with a generic, hey guys, we hit them with something that makes their scrolling thumb freeze. For example, the strategy I'm about to share helped 3 faceless channels hit 100K subscribers in under 90 days. Can I trust this creator's expertise? Here's where we show we know our stuff without being that gym bro who can't stop talking about protein shakes. Check out how smoothly we drop these credibility knowledge bombs. After analyzing 100+ successful faceless channels, I discovered something shocking. Will this solve my problem? This is the make or break moment. We need to show them results faster than your phone battery dying. Check this out. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap to start your faceless channel, even if you've never created content before. Think about it. It's exactly like meeting someone for the first time. In those first 3 seconds, your viewers are basically speed dating your content with those 3 questions. And just like dating, first impressions can make or break the relationship. You know how they say you never get a second chance at a first impression? Well, on YouTube, you barely get a first chance. Now, here's something that might surprise you more than finding out your crush actually likes you back. Sometimes the best time to create your killer intro is last. I know, plot twist of the century, huh? But think about it. Trying to create the perfect intro before you have your content is like trying to write a movie trailer before the movie exists. Sure, you could do it, but wouldn't you rather know exactly what amazing value you're about to deliver? That's why I always say, understand the content framework first, but save the actual intro for when you have your content ready to rock. It's like having the perfect outfit planned for a date, but you might want to know where you're going first, right? Alright squad, now that we've got that little wisdom bomb out of the way, let's dive into what you're really here for, creating a faceless YouTube channel that hits harder than your caffeine crash on a Monday morning. Here's what most creators get wrong about faceless channels. They think it's all about hiding. But really, it's about solving problems so well that nobody cares if they can't see your face. Let me show you exactly how this works with something we all love. Food. Think about it. Some of the most successful cooking channels on YouTube never show a face. Just those satisfying overhead shots that make you hungry at 3 a.m. Alright, let me show you my ninja method for creating content that slaps. Instead of reinventing the wheel, we're going to study the masters and create something even better. Here I have 2 popular faceless YouTube videos and 1 extra who went viral. Let's hit the road and create something mouth-watering. Pizza recipe. Here we go. Copy the links into Poppy AI. Group them together. Open a new chat, connect it to the videos, and type this. Analyze why these videos connected have millions of views and provide me with a script for a new YouTube video. Let's get straight to the point. Please provide a detailed and complete answer without any continue prompts. Boom. Poppy AI just gave you the blueprint for success. But here's where it gets interesting. Want to have the exact words to say? Let's do this. Oof, our pizza, it's almost there. So far, we have an astonishing script, but we need that relatable human touch. Another prompt? You guess it, but let's add something we learned from Mr. Beast's videos. Multiple hooks and emotions. Make the script relatable and add multiple hooks and human emotions so that viewers remain glued to their screen. Voila. See what just happened? Your video just went from good to unstoppable. We're not just making another pizza video, we're solving actual problems that make people stop scrolling and hit play. You get the idea. We're not just picking random videos. We're picking the ones that will help us make videos that viewers forget they're watching a faceless channel. Ready for another mind blown? You can also create versions of your brand new script. Create 3 versions of the script, for busy moms, for busy dads, and for teenagers at home. Let's get straight to the point. Please provide a detailed and complete answer without any continue prompts. If that were not enough, you can also extract valuable SEO keywords from the videos connected. Simply type, "Tell me relevant keywords used in the videos connected to this chat that you think made the content go viral." And here's the sauce you've been waiting for. Use those keywords and regenerate the script for busy moms. Make the script relatable and add multiple hooks and human emotions so that viewers remain glued to their screen. Let's get straight to the point. Please provide a detailed and complete answer without any continue prompts. Yeah, we have everything what we need in this script, and we can still learn more. Drop this prompt in the chat. Tell me what else I can learn from those videos. Camera angles, lighting, video length, information flow, viewer interaction, teaching methods, marketing strategies, community building, and monetization opportunities. Yes, laziest way to make money online. I'll drop those prompts in the description of this video, so go check it out. Now that you've got your content creation superpowers, let's talk about turning your channel into a content machine that runs smoother than your favorite playlist. Here's my strategy for keeping viewers coming back to your channel. Create content seasons. Drop 2 to 3 related videos within 2 weeks, then switch to a different but related topic. Like a cooking channel going from 15-minute meals season to aesthetic meal prep season. Your viewers will be binge watching your content faster than their favorite Netflix show. Here's how to scale without feeling like you're running on more caffeine than a college student during finals week. 1. Batch creation days. Pick one day to create a month's worth of content outlines in Poppy AI. It's like meal prepping, but for your channel. 1 focused session is equal to 4 weeks of content planned. Boom. 2. Template everything. Create your own content recipe book in Poppy AI. Save your best performing hooks, transitions, and outros. Why reinvent the wheel when you can just add better toppings? 3. The 1-3-5 rule. Every month, plan 1 epic cornerstone video, your signature dish. 3 trending topic videos, the seasonal specials. 5 quick win videos, your reliable classics. Remember everything we just covered? Those killer intros that grab attention faster than free pizza at a college party? Content frameworks that keep viewers hooked like their favorite Netflix series? Scaling strategies that make content creation smoother than your favorite playlist? Well, I've got something special for my AI creator squad. Use my code DANI and get $25 off Poppy AI right now. Just click the link in the pinned comment below and let's turn your content dreams into reality. And trust me, once you start creating content with Poppy AI, your only regret will be not starting sooner. Yo, if you just unlocked your content creator cheat codes, destroy that like button faster than you're rage clicking your alarm. And listen, this isn't just any random video, it's part of our YouTube Mastery with AI series, where we're literally breaking the algorithm. Missed the sauce from our digital marketing secrets revealed video? That's where I dropped all the algorithm hacks for 2025. Catch it in the description. And next week, I'm showing you how to create thumbnails so fire, they'll make your competitors uninstall Photoshop. Trust me, your subscription bell needs to be on for this one. Remember, in 2025, it's not about showing your face. It's about showing up with value that makes viewers forget they can't see you. Now, go create something amazing. See you in the next one, AI Creator Squad. Peace out.